Hey guys, Kirk here from Treehouse 51, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update your WordPress menu so that when you click on a tab it opens up a new page. So in this example, the client wants the Buy on Amazon tab to open up the Amazon page, so it would look like this. So to achieve this effect, step 1, log into the backend of your website. Step 2, scroll to the bottom where it says Appearance and then select Menus. Step 3, make sure that your menu is actually updated with the pages that you want. To do this, just go over here where it says Pages and select what you want and select Add to Menu. And then step 4, on the bottom here, we already have Buy on Amazon. You see how it says Open Link in a New Window tab? Just check this button. And then go to the bottom and select Save Menu. Now if you don't see this button right here, go on top where it says Screen Options, click down the drop down arrow, and select Link Target. Having Link Target will give you that option. And that's it. That's how you do it. If you have any questions, ideas on next videos, comments, anything and all of the above, please leave a comment below and we'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks.